Are you ready to elevate your image generation skills to the next level? Today we are diving into ControlNet, a powerful tool that enhances your creative output in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, ControlNet offers functionalities that can transform your artistic vision into stunning images. Without the needs for extensive training, let's explore how to harness its capabilities. Step 1. Enable ControlNet. First, make sure to check the Enable box in your settings. This is crucial as it activates the ControlNet features. Step 2. Adjust VRAM settings. If you're working with lower VRAM, toggle the low VRAM option. This ensures a smoother operation even on less powerful machines. Step 3. Set up your image dimensions. Use the Pixel Perfect option to maintain the exact dimensions of your input images. This helps in achieving better results. Step 4. Preview your work. Enable the Allow Preview feature that lets you see a preview of your generated images, ensuring you're on the right track before finalizing. Utilizing multiple control nets. One of the standout features is the ability to use multiple control nets. Here's how. Go to the Settings tab, select Control Net and adjust the slider to add more control nets. For instance, if you want to create an image of Iron Man in a cityscape, load the city image into one control net and Iron Man into another. This allows for creative combinations that yield unique outputs. Batch generation and control weights. Looking to generate multiple images at once, use the batch option. Just be mindful that larger batches may take longer to process. Adjust the control weight to influence how strongly ControlNet affects your output. Higher values mean more control over the final image. Fine-tuning your image. Set your starting and enjoy or ending steps. To determine when ControlNet should take effect during the image generation process, this allows for fine-tuning and can greatly enhance the realism of your images. Lastly, choose a resize mode that fits your needs, whether you want to crop, fill, or simply resize your images for optimal results. In summary, ControlNet is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to create stunning images effortlessly. With its robust features like multiple control nets and batch generation, you can explore endless creative possibilities without extensive training. So why wait? Dive into ControlNet today and start generating breathtaking visuals that showcase your unique style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.